Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you my unboxing and my first impression on my new Ringke case for my Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. It's called Ringke Fusion X Guard. I think it's in case the watch band and the case itself. I buy it from Lazada Thailand for around $22. I think there are several color like red, there is some yellow and white and black with a white bezel background, as you can see in this picture. And for me, I got the yellow one. Okay, and I purchased it because my old Ringke case, the slim case, is I mean, as you can see, is pretty scratched up. Okay, I think I bought it in around September last year, so it's already 4 months old, and I don't know, it didn't last long enough to my liking. I wear it every day to work, to sleep, and I don't know, maybe it doesn't fit my style, my lifestyle, so I decided to test this one out. Okay, so we'll see what inside the box. Okay, let's see. Okay, nothing else in the box. There is only the case, and there is a watch band for it. Okay, and okay, let's try it out. Okay, let's remove the old one. Okay, the watch still look new enough. And there is a Ringke logo on the metal part of the watch band. Here it is, the yellow one. Okay, I have to remove the old watch first. Don't think it's too easy to put it on. Oh. It's not aligned well enough. You have to put it. You put some pressure on it. Okay. Wow, this look good. Okay, we'll test this one out. Okay, guys. Now I finish installing the watch band, and as we can see, it look quite good. It's look very sturdy. Here you can see a Ringke brand there. It may a little bit look big. It look big on my wrist, but who cares? The watch is already bigger than my wrist. So I'll see how long this gonna last. And yes, thank you guys. Bye.